Hello and welcome to OlymPOS, your all-in-one restaurant management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use our intuitive POS system designed for seamless table management, order processing, and more. Let's dive in. Getting started, restaurant layout. Main screen showing a restaurant floor plan. When you first open OlymPOS, you'll see a visual layout of your restaurant. Tables are represented as draggable icons, allowing you to customize their positions to match your physical setup. Color-coded statuses. Red, occupied tables. Green, available tables. Orange, reserved tables. Use the sidebar buttons to switch between different dining areas, each with its own unique layout for better organization. Managing orders. Placing an order. When you click on a green table, a dialog will appear asking for the number of guests, if this option is enabled in settings. If the guest count is not required, you can toggle this in settings. The system will proceed directly to the ordering screen. If icon mode is enabled in the settings, each button will display its assigned image. If no image is assigned to a product, the category's image will be used instead. If the category also lacks an image, a default image will be displayed. On the other hand, if button mode is selected, all buttons will only show text. Icon mode is recommended as it enhances visual clarity. At the top, you'll see the categories of items. If a category contains subcategories, it will have a plus sign in the top right corner. Depending on the configuration, subcategories may be shown for easier navigation or the menu items will be displayed directly. Select a category and choose an item. Related extras, like adding Red Bull to a long drink or customizing a pizza with extra olives and no onions, will be automatically suggested. Additional features. Search function, quickly find items by searching for their name, e.g., Freddo. Menu number, each item has a menu number that can be edited in the Manager program. This allows for fast selection using the numeric keypad, just enter the item's number to select it quickly. Top Sellers, displays popular items based on sales, and is automatically updated. Favorites, shows items marked as favorites in the product database and is the default screen when opening the form. Extra charges, add additional fees, like a €5 charge for special requests. Finalizing the order. Once the order is complete, it can be sent to appropriate printers, for example the kitchen or the bar. If needed, the system will prompt whether to send it to a connected cash register as well. When an order is placed, the table color changes to red, indicating it is occupied. Billing and payments. In the billing section, users can print the bill, print and close the bill, marking it as paid, split the bill, apply discounts, send to an official cash register. Choose payment method, cash, card, or split payment. After processing payment, the table becomes available again, green. Manage reservations. Let's go back to the main screen of the application, where you'll see the color-coded tables red, occupied, green, free, and orange, reserved. Orange tables indicate reservations for the selected date. Clicking on the reservation section takes you to a submenu where you can choose to add or view existing reservations. Selecting View Reservations displays pending reservations, such as Table 8 and Table 25, which are marked as waiting to arrive. Other reservations without a status will also appear here. You can navigate between dates to review past or upcoming reservations for tomorrow or later dates. To cancel a reservation, click on it and confirm via the dialog prompt. You'll be asked to provide a cancellation reason for future reference. Once confirmed, the reservation updates to canceled status. Returning to the main screen, clicking Add Reservation opens the blueprint layout of tables. Using the virtual keyboard, input details like time, for example, 7 p.m., and party size, for example, 6 persons. After clicking Book, the reservation is confirmed for the selected table, for example, table number. This section will explain how to handle bills, how to close transactions, how to split a bill, and how to manage payments. Let's start by opening a table and adding some items to it. Now, let's make some adjustments to the quantities. Once we have the order ready, we send it to the system, as in this table. Now, let's go ahead and open the same table again, and navigate to the Payments section. When we go to Split, we see all the items belonging to the order. We can now choose items one by one to create a subbill. If the quantity of an item is larger than 1, the system will automatically split off a single unit, while leaving the rest in the main order. Let's add these items to a new split. We now see that 1 unit has been moved to the new split, while the remaining quantity stays in the main order. For example, if we had 4 items, and we move 2, the system keeps the remaining 2 in the main order. If we want to create another split, we simply select more items, and assign them to a new split. Now, when it's time to process a payment, we select the appropriate bill, then press Confirm and Pay. Once a bill is paid, it is marked as closed. This means no more items can be added or removed from that bill. Another way to split a bill is by using the Single Checkout option. This is useful when a customer wants to pay for only certain items. For example, if someone wants to pay for just a piña colada and 1 cold cut, the system will handle the payment immediately and return us to the main order screen. Here, we now see only the remaining unpaid items. If we return to the main menu and open Table 9 again, we can see which bills have been paid and which items are still pending payment. At this point, we can proceed to close. If logged in as a manager, additional options are available. Move tables within the layout. Rearrange the restaurant setup virtually. This concludes the overview of managing reservations, orders and payments in the OlymPOS restaurant system. Join us in the next tutorial for more insights.